Hey foodies, sometimes you know what? You just gotta have fish. So I've got some flounders fillet. Flounder, as in flounder with an F. And I am going to go into my egg, alrighty? And then right into my breadcrumbs. For those of you that have watched me do this before, you do know that I do not put flour on them. I try to keep everything to the amount, the least that I could do. And as you can see from the egg onto the fish, it sticks just fine. And I'm going to air fry these today, these two beautiful flounder fillets. And I have in this pan over here, I have some diced up potato. And we're going to have some potatoes today with our fish. And I've made a fresh coleslaw, Chef Pete's favorite coleslaw. And we're gonna put this all together and we're gonna have one beautiful, light calorie, delicious meal. So now I have my fish all ready to go. Beautiful two flounders. It doesn't take long at 400 in your air fryer. So now what I'm going to do over here is turn on the air fryer. So the air fryer is now on and we'll get these out of the way. Okay, so there we go. Now I'm going to show you what's going on our little stove here. The air fryer is now running because I need to heat it up. So Anthony will come over here so you could see in this pan I have some beautiful Yukon Gold potatoes that I've cut up into some nice small thin pieces. Okay, and I'm going to cook these. First of all, we're going to get some salt on them.
Oh, we like salt.
Okay, and then a little minced onion in here is good. Now you can certainly cut a regular onion if you so choose. That's up to you. I just happened to grab this today. Some oregano. Alrighty. Potatoes like oregano and Italian seasoning. And then some garlic powder. They like onions. They like garlic powder. Potatoes like it all. And what we're going to do is cook these up. And now I'm going to give it a little paprika here. Right there across the top. Just like this. Little paprika. There we go. That's good. And then I'm going to start to mix them up here. Now, I'm using olive oil. You can certainly use butter if you like. And we're going to get these potatoes so we get a nice crust on them. They'll go really well with our fish. And as soon as this air fry oven behind me beeps, I'll pop the fish in. This dinner comes together really fast as long as you make your coleslaw ahead of time. And I have steamed over here. I have some squash I've cut into little small thin pieces. See, I did this here, and I'm going to put them on top of the potatoes when they come out. So we have a little veggie to go with it. So now what I'm going to do is cover this lid, and we are going to let this steam cook, and then we're going to get a nice crust on them on the outside, and there we have it. We're going to beep here in a minute, and I'm going to pop our fillets in. Certainly make yourselves a relish or a tartar sauce or a remoulade sauce or a red sauce, whatever you kind of like to put on your fish, okay? All right, so there we have it. We'll show you when this comes out of the oven how this looks, and it plates up, and there we have it. A simple, easy, quick meal to do here from Carpizzo's Kitchen. So this is Pete, as always, wishing you the best. Out.